Is your resume constantly getting rejected? Don't worry. Stick around, because I'll show you how to finally crack the code and get your dream job. Here's the secret: every company uses an ATS application tracking system to scan resumes. And guess what? It rejects 75% of resumes before they even reach a human. Only 1 in 4 make it to the HR desk. So how do you beat the ATS? Simple. Tailor your resume to the job description. Extract important keywords from the job posting and sprinkle them strategically across your resume. You can use AI tools to make this easier. Want a job-winning resume for free? Let me show you how to optimize your resume with CareerFlow AI. Go to Google and search CareerFlow AI. You will land on the website. You can see Products option at the top. Click on AI Resume Builder, then Build My Resume. Sign in. Then start onboarding. Fill in your details and upload your resume. Pro tip: use a PDF file to avoid large file sizes. Choose the free plan to get started. Click on Optimize Your Resume, then create a new resume. You can upload your LinkedIn profile or a previous resume here. Pick a professionally designed template and set your target job like recruiter or any role. The tool will now analyze and score your resume skills. See those red dots? They highlight critical issues in your resume. Upload a job description. You can copy job description from LinkedIn and paste it here. Click the dots and fix suggestions like missing education details. Fix all suggestions and watch your score jump to optimized. This boosts your chances of landing interviews. If you want to optimize more resumes than one, sign up with another email for free. Start now and land your dream job. Please like and subscribe my channel for job and career updates.